What's up, y'all? Welcome to the final graphic breakdown. This is going to be super simple. I know you guys have better things to be doing than to be watching this on Christmas Eve. So let's break it down. It'll be on Patreon tomorrow for Christmas. So we have our yellow background. We have our lips drop shadows. Super simple. My laptop is about to die. So we add in our texture. So it's just a white line texture with inner shadows to give it that lighting from this area over here. So you can see the shadows dropping to the left. And then we add in our shading to make it look like this is the floor and this is the background with more texture. And then we have our text. So we're all tilting it to the side to make it fit that tilted theme. It looks pretty sick. And then we add in our cutout. He's got that inner shadow hitting him from the right side, the shadow from the left side, and the drop shadow behind him. Same thing with these guys. Pretty great cutout. That's just one cutout altogether with the same effects on it. And then we're just tweaking all that to take away most of the color except for the yellow. Adding a color lookup to unify their look. And then we have our lighting from the top right, shadow in the bottom left. And you can see it fits because it's hitting them all from the top right. This shadow is in the left of this. All fits together. And then we have our color pop. Bang, that's it. This will be on the Patreon tomorrow. Merry Christmas, and we'll see you in the next one.